Hey guys, it's Deb just jumping in here since the wrapping is the most important part of this whole process in making some yummy spam musubis. So you're gonna need the seaweed sheets. This is Korean seaweed, but you can buy Japanese, Korean, whatever you like. You're gonna cut them in half. So a good way to measure which way to cut is to put your template on the seaweed and make sure that the width is exactly the same. This is such a cool little gadget, and I put it through the dishwasher many times, top rack, and it's done great. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in grabbing one of these. You can also buy them at the Japanese market. So I steamed some rice earlier. Don't make the rice super hot, but this is just cooled down rice, and if you like to add some vinegar to make sushi style rice, you can, but my kids like it plain. So basically I filled the first layer with just a little bit of rice, and then you're gonna grab one of your spams with that delicious teriyaki sauce coated all over it and put that in the middle, and finally you're gonna top it off with some extra rice. Okay, this first one is a little too much, but you can put however much or little you like or your family likes. And the way you're gonna use this device is you use that to push and compact all the rice together, and then you slide that outside part up. And there you go. You have a perfectly shaped spam musubi. Sometimes you have to use a knife or something to break that little seal that happens between the plastic and the rice. And then I like to put a little bit of rice on the edge of your seaweed so that it'll stick together. Now when you wrap this up, you want it to be as tight as possible. Sometimes what happens is you'll see that it's still a little loose up against the rice, but that's because the rice hasn't had time to warm up the seaweed. And there you go, you guys. Look at this delicious homemade spam musubi. It is so easy. Teriyaki sauce. You can also put soy sauce in there. You can make variations by putting an egg. You can only do like one layer of rice and wrap it up with seaweed. I've seen so many different ways that you can do this. So I'm just showing another round of what I do, but when I want to have them all ready to go for the kids to grab, I just put a saran wrap at the bottom before I put my seaweed down. So that's the only difference in this demo. And this was another one with a lot of rice. I use the saran wrap to kind of help me tighten up that seal. So there you go, ready to go for picnics, ball games, by the pool. And I was able to make 8 here. And as you can see, I ate one of them. But who's counting? I hope you make this at home. Let me know how it turns out down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.